Hello, this is Shruti Bhaska. This video comes your way with a review on a product that's currently revolutionary in the market. At least I definitely think it's revolutionary because it's a breakthrough to quite a lot of things that's been negative in my life. So, obviously, if that's going to be a positive change by adapting one such equipment in my life, for me it is revolutionary. So, this particular equipment is called Emedica. To just give you a background of what happened, I have had slip disc in 2006. Ever since, no matter what I do at home, I ensure the postures are maintained and I ensure that it doesn't get aggravated. But quite recently, it just so happened that I ended up lifting something very heavy and I aggravated my slip disc. I was in huge pain. I was advised bed rest first for about 15 days, and also I was asked to do physiotherapy after the first week. So there were quite a lot of exercise and things like that. But the pain was so, it was radiating so badly from my back till my knee and my, ankle that I needed help of at least 2-3 people to get up from the bed and even walk. But thanks to Emedica, a friend of mine suggested, he actually brought in this equipment to my house and he asked me to go through this, sampling of this product. I can only say sampling because he said I could use it for a few days to see if there's going to be any changes. I am wonderstruck. That's exactly the word I can use because the very minute I started using this, the very first day that is, there was a huge dip in the pain. I'm somebody who does not believe in taking painkillers, so I was not on painkillers. But usage of this particular product, Emedica, was really a different world altogether. It reduced my pain in jiffy, one day, and it just got reduced. I'm just so happy that this particular equipment has many, stages in it. I want to call it many programs in it, through which there are many diseases that can be treated. I've got thyroid, so I've been asked to use this program for thyroid, which could reduce. I did see somebody's review saying that she has stopped taking thyroid tablets and she's actually feeling, completely normal with usage of Emedica. In this video, I'll definitely show you the equipment and how I use this. The best part of this entire equipment is that I can use it and at the same time sit and work, take calls and do everything. I am from a background where 90% of the time I have to be seated while working. So this just added to it with no hassles. I'm just so glad my friend Girish referred this product to me. I referred this further to my brother who's had BP problem. He has 210 by 117 from last 1 year with all the medications, no change. And with 3 days of usage of this particular equipment, it has come down to 170 by 100. And I'm just so glad that we were introduced to Emedica, and I'm so happy about it. This is definitely going to be a revolutionary equipment in the world of science because all it does is charge our cells and help us build our immunity that is required for our body to fight our own diseases. So that's one of the best things that can ever happen. So in this video, right now after my explanation, I would actually show you how I sit on this video, on the equipment. And you'll see it's so easy to use. So before I end this, thanks Girish, thanks a ton for referring Emedica. Hello, so I said I will definitely show you virtually how this equipment works, and you can see that both my hands are connected to these extensions from the equipment, and the wire is connected to the socket, so there is power that's passing through right now, and there's energy that's passing through these two points and the below my leg too. So it's completely hassle free. That's exactly what I can talk about this equipment being so, because with my hands free I can actually work on my laptop, I can use my mobile, and even at free time there's nothing much to do and I still can use this equipment. The best thing about this entire equipment is that there is currently power passing by, it's reaching out to my body and charging my cells. I have programmed the equipment for immunity booster, and currently it's treating me and I don't even get to know, I don't even feel it, there is no feel of a current passing through my body, but I'm getting treated. That's the best part of it. The equipment being hassle free is one of the best features on this equipment, because whilst we are working or we are in a meeting or something that we are just sitting and doing things, we can use this equipment, not know that it's treating us, and still get treated. So I would say thanks Girish for referring this equipment for us. Currently my brother and I, both of us are using this equipment for ourselves. I am using for the pain radiation that I had because of slip disc, as well as for thyroid, and my brother is using for BP, and we definitely are seeing huge difference in our lifestyle, positively, that I must say. And this is the best thing that could have happened ever in the world of medicines, because this is revolutionary and this is definitely an answer to not having so much medicines and still get treated. Thank you Girish. Thank you eMedica.